a YouTube growth strategy is not the same as a YouTube marketing strategy. A YouTube growth strategy alone will not get you clients, will not get you leads, and will only probably get you a few subscribers, a few views. But as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, that's not what you want. Yes, you want that niche fame and niche authority, but only if that translates directly into bank wires, into clients, into growing your business. So based on that, based on that concept, we are basically going to be exploring the following that are the 6 key pillars of success on YouTube. And also, I wanted to provide something or say something very important here. To the extent that you apply these 6 key pillars that a lot of people often overlook mistakenly, is to the extent that you actually get results on YouTube. So knowing this is not a nice to have, it's not great, it is a necessity, it's a must for you as an entrepreneur. So pay very close attention until the end of this video. This is definitely going to be worth our time. So let's begin. First thing is that video ideation is probably 40% of the influence variable on the success of your YouTube channel. So if you want to get more views and more traffic, because at the end of the day, yeah, you can have a great offer, but you need eyeballs and traffic to see that offer in order for that offer to convert. If we want to focus on traffic, video ideation is the most important thing. So here, consider that the video ideas that you select need to have like a total addressable market that are huge. And by the way, just forgot something that is extremely important. Before continuing with this, the reason why you should probably listen until the end of this video is because over the last 3 years, we have worked with clients like this, and this, among 30 other clients, helping them get exactly the kind of results that I mentioned that you could get by executing a proper YouTube marketing strategy. So getting more leads, getting more clients, more subscribers, and more views is what we have helped these clients and 30 plus do over the past 3 years. So let's get back straight into the video. So the video ideation, you need to select topics that have a large total addressable market. So basically, yeah, just like these topics that could appeal to a lot of people, but that we know for a fact that within those topics that we selected, your specific ideal customer profile still lies in, or is still within that topic selected. So finding that balance is going to be crucial. There are multiple methods or multiple, let's call them weapons within your arsenal for this video ideation, and let me show them with you. So this is actually like a full 2-hour course that we are preparing at the moment. You guys will love it when it drops. But in the meantime, let me show you the video ideation methods. Multiple things. So we have evergreen video topics that are basically topics that you can record now, post now, but your ideal customer profile will still be looking for years to come. So those are the evergreen video topics. We also have trend jacking, that is basically seeing what's on trend right now and mixing it with your area of expertise within your domain of competence, so that we like kind of ride that wave and leverage that current trend to get more traffic, more attention towards our offers and our content. We also have fame jacking, that is kind of similar to trend jacking. The only difference is that you take advantage of talking about that celebrity within your niche, or that your niche identifies as well. We have also niche analysis or niche comparison, that is seeing what is working on other similar niches to yours, seeing what's working there, and then bringing that idea and recording a video about it, but for your specific, again, area of expertise. We also have success duplication, so analyzing what are the most popular videos on your channel, and based on those most popular videos, kind of re-recording them, but with a new spin, with an updated version, and that usually tends to work really well. We also have the outlier method, the brainstorming ideas, multiple proven methods. But video ideation is the most important thing for your success on YouTube. Let's continue. The scripting, also extremely important for retaining your audience throughout the video. So how can you keep your audience watching throughout the whole video? And by the way, what I'll be reviewing next is extremely crucial, so bear with me. Now, another important thing with the scripting is also the way that you position your content and the things that you say, so that your audience, basically you persuade them to buy your offers later down the line. So this is an internal document that we have within our agency. I'll not show you all of this, but at least this is this is like a 7 pages document. I will only show you this. That is the scripting structure formula that we suggest. So introduction, body, and end. 3 call to actions that we suggest for the next video, for your lead magnet, for engagement. In the body walls, you have like the talking points and cliffhangers that are like micro hooks to keep your audience glued to your video. We also have the introduction is basically just the way that you establish authority, the way that you are going to position yourself to be perceived by your audience in a certain way, so that people actually want to hear your whole video and hear you because of who you are, and actually are more inclined into following your call to actions and becoming a lead or buying your offers. Then we also have the recording. So how are you dressing? How are you presenting? What is your setup? What is your emotional state? What is like that energy transfer that is happening? That charisma that is shining through the screen. Charisma is not 100% necessary, but at least that you transfer certain feelings to your audience is going to be important. Then the editing, so like either following retention editing or the video editing style that is preferred by your niche at that time. So that is going to be important. These are some video editing parameters. Again, cannot show you all because these like internal documents and exclusively more for the benefit of our clients, but let me give you a quick overview. These are some North Star questions that you could also ask yourself when you finish editing the videos, or your team finish editing the videos, to know if you have actually done a good job. Besides the video editing, we also have the packaging. So for the packaging, there's a very common misconception that I see with the thumbnails or with the packaging, that is the thumbnail, the title, and the timestamp. So let me tell you something. The purpose of a thumbnail is exclusively to draw in attention, is to draw in attention to that video. And the purpose of the title is to sell the click, is to get the click. And that's why they two together work as a complement. So it's very important for us to have this in mind, so that we can design proper packaging. This is another resource that we have. This is free. You can get this probably in the description. I'll leave a link. This is like another 40 pages document on literally how to design proper packaging, how to how to evoke different emotions, how to write the proper titles, how to do great packaging. So this is going to be extremely valuable. You can maybe pause some of these things and kind of give it a read if you want, but designing proper thumbnails and proper packaging is it's crucial for the success on your channel. And lastly, we have the upload settings. I'll show you this. These are internal documents that we have for our YouTube strategies, how to upload the videos, how to do the settings, specifically the optimal settings. Here you have them. You can take a look at this. Some of these are kind of hyperlinked to standard operating procedures. It's like another 60 pages document that we have that is internal, but most of it you can understand it just by reading these bullet points. And that's kind of about it. We have multiple, as you can see, but it is low. As you can see, we have multiple checklists, processes, systems, how to do things, the step-by-step, because that's what is required to get the best results for our clients. So this, at least a high overview of pillars of success and YouTube strategy and YouTube marketing strategy, will be crucial and valuable for you to actually at least move towards the right direction. Hopefully this makes sense. Hopefully this was valuable. Also, in the next 3 seconds, I'll recommend just another video on my channel, probably more valuable than this one, regarding YouTube marketing, regarding how to get more subscribers, views, clients, and leads from your YouTube channel. So I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Take care.